Happy birthday, Tres and Kuya Bonjing! Love you, miss you! Mwah!
Tres at saka Bonjing, I love you, miss you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito Ryan. Miss you. Happy birthday, Tres! Kuya Bonjing! Ingat lagi! Happy birthday,
2, 3, start.
Happy birthday, Tres and Kuya Bonjing. Ingat kayo palagi. We love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Bonjing, and happy birthday, Tres. Enjoy your day. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday. Ryan Paul Pangilinan and Tres the Third. Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Enjoy niyo yung birthday nyo. Loves na loves kayo ni tita. Ingat palagi. Love you. Mwah.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! Happy birthday sa dalawang malapit sa puso namin dito sa Dubai. Una, happy birthday sa baby boy ko dito ay si Baby Tres. Hi Tres! Mahal na mahal ka ni Nang. Alam mo yan. Lahat naman na kaya namin ibigay namin sa'yo. Huwag lang matigas ang ulo. No say no, always yes, okay? At lagi gumamit ng po, opo. And then also, happy birthday to Ryan Paul Jing. Matanda na tayo, Jing. Happy birthday, stay healthy, and then stay pogi. Syempre, coming soon, alam mo na kung ano yun. Good luck. Both of you, mahal na mahal namin kayo ng mga tita, tito ninyo. Bye! Love you, both of you.
Happy birthday, Tres and Bonjing! We love you!
Happy birthday, Kuya Bonjing, Ate Bachi, and Tres. Stay healthy and stay safe. More birthdays to come. Miss you all, love you all.
Happy birthday, Bonjing. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Tsaka sana always happy. God bless and love you.
Happy birthday, Tres, baby dinosaur. Lagi mong tandaan na gagawin lahat ni Mama para sa'yo. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nak. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo. I love you, Nak. Pwede ka na mag-asawa niyan. Hey, Tres, happy birthday, Tres. I love you.
Nagka-record na.
Oh, Jing, happy birthday. Sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. Marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. Palagi kang good health. Happy birthday, anak. I love you. Tres, happy birthday din. I love you, Tres. Ingat lagi. Bye-bye. I love you, Tres.
Happy birthday, Bonjing.
Happy birthday, Bonjing.
Ingat dyan palagi.
Ingat ka dyan pala. Happy birthday, I love you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tres and Kuya Bonjing. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Miss na namin kayo. We love you.
Happy birthday, Toto Bonjing. I miss you. I love you.
Hi, Tres. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana palagi kang good health and matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo. And of course, Mahal, happy birthday. Thank you for everything. And I wish you all the happiness and palagi kang mimingat ken. I love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday.